Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am wearing Brooklyn by Henry Margu in the color 814H. And I cannot tell you how much I love this wig. I'm so excited about it. It's just so fun to be able to come and do a review of a wig that I am truly raving about. I got this wig last week. She has been on my head all day, every day. I love her. I am so excited about this wig. She's been on my wish list for a long time, and I've watched reviews on her, and every time I watch a review, I was like, she's so cute, she's so cute. And I revisited my list when I had a little wig cash in my pocket, and I decided to order her, and she did not disappoint. I love this piece. So the color on her is 814H, and it's the same color as my Kendall. So we've seen the color before, but I'll go over her again. So her description is that she is a medium golden brown blended with dark ash and honey amber blonde highlights. So you can see all of those colors. You can see the visible highlight in her because there's an H in that color, so that's going to tell you that you can see the highlight. So you can see the highlight. You can see the pretty brown. I just love this color. It's so pretty on this wig, and it's so great for summer. And I love how see how there's lighter pieces right around your face, just like if you were at the hairdresser and they're coloring your hair. I mean, it's just done great. So I'm super happy with it. Lace front is awesome. Look at that. I mean, it is so realistic. It looks great. I'm just thrilled with it. You know, it thins out a little going towards the forehead, just like real hair does. Lighter colors towards the front to hide any knotting. It's just well done. And the part, check the part. The part is so awesome. Like, it is so realistic. Even though there's more than one color, you know, sometimes synthetic wigs, the part can look kind of spotty. It's so good. I'm so excited about it. So measurements on her. Bang in the front here is 8 inches, 12 inches from the crown, 10-inch sides. The back is 9.5. It feels like it's pretty much one length all the way around. And the nape under here, neck down, is 4.5. So great little above the shoulder on me, bob. I have a 4-inch neck. So, you know, measure your neck and kind of see where you think it's going to fall on you. My face is 8 inches. My neck is 4 inches. So super cute. I'll do a turn so you can see her style. I love the way it's cut. I love the way the hair moves. It's lightened up on the ends. See how it kind of goes under over here and then it kind of flips out over here. I love that because when I used to have my hair cut, when I had hair and had it cut into a bob, this is what it would do. Like one side did this and the other side they would put a little layer. This is cut exactly like the way they used to always cut my hair, which I loved because it wouldn't do a whole lot. You know, so this was a great cut for my hair. So I love how it kind of flips out. I mean, that looks natural, you know, like not perfect hairdo, it just looks so natural. I just am so excited about it. So let me do a turn and I'll show it to you. So here's my right side. Here's the back, really cute back. Here's my left side. And back to the front. So I've been doing all kinds of stuff, playing around with her to see what I can do. Okay, she is ear tuckable, very tuckable. I've wore her like this the other day, and she's great for, I was in a meeting and I looked down and I had to, you know, I was looking down at a page and I was able to just put her behind my ears and not have to worry about seeing that, you know, or having hair fall on my face. She's not flopping in my face real bad though, which is really nice. So you can pull her back, of course, excuse me, in little clips, little pretty clips, whatever. She can be pulled back like this in a larger clip, as you can see. She can also be pulled back in a ponytail. There's enough there for a ponytail, which I like. So she is just so cute. I am so excited about her. I'll show you the ear tabs are really nice. you know, I have to have a good ear tab. Hugs the face, falls right over the ear. There's no cap, you know, putting any pressure on my ear, which I really like. So I just can't sing her praises enough. If y'all like a bob haircut with a little bit of layering to give it a little more movement, I mean, this hair, look at this hair. It feels like human hair. It is so light and wispy. It has such a fine denier to it. I just can't get over how light and airy it is. It is just, it's a great piece. I can't recommend, I mean, I love it, y'all. I can't recommend it enough. So as far as permatease, when I look at the wefting on the cap, I can see a tiny bit of tease and I can kind of feel it, but it is low density, as you can see. It is not a big poofy wig, and I can't even get, I mean, I guess you can get some volume in it if you really want to poof it up and spray it or something. So maybe that's the goal of having a little bit of tease in it. But honestly, it's not something, sorry, my voice wants to go away today. It's not something that is, you know, a big problem or anything. So I wouldn't count it really as having much permatease at all. So, but I don't want to lie to you. I can feel a little bit just right at the wefting. And when I looked at it, it's just right at the very wefting, and then the hair shaft goes straight. So just to give you a complete, you know, understanding of what I'm seeing when I'm looking at the wig. So I'm going to pop her off and I'll show her to you. Show you the cap. So she is a left side monopart with a lace front. Lace front goes onto the ear tab. Velvety soft ear tabs with a good piece of metal in there. Bends and holds its place. Open wefting on the cap all the way around. Velvety nape. Velcro straps, which I love. Favorite kind of straps. So there you can see, great cap construction. Closed lace right here, but not closed lace with a, you know, a bunch of permatease underneath there. So, and I'll show you how easy she is to just throw and go. So just pop her back on. She's instant style. I usually just take my wide tooth comb, run it through there, and bada bing, bada boom, she's ready to go. I mean, I love it. She's a great wig. So you're gonna be seeing her a lot on me, on my Instagram and stuff like that, because I'm seriously wearing this wig a lot. So very happy with it, highly recommend it. Super happy with these Henry Margu fibers, cap construction, comfort. The cap, I forgot to mention, is super soft on the inside. I don't know what the difference is. I can't visually see a difference in this cap and other caps, but it's just like so soft on the inside. I'm just so happy with it. So if you're looking for a cute bob, little bit of layers, I highly recommend Henry Margu's Brooklyn. And this color again, 814H. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming to my channel and watching my reviews. I hope that they are helpful. Like and subscribe below if you like what you see, and I'll keep bringing them. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.